Hey there, and happy 2/22/22, a perfect day to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now with the trade-in deals, I was able to get this for free, trading in a Z Flip 3 and an iPhone 12 Pro Max, bought on resale for a price too good to pass up. Now let's dive right into the box. Unlike the Note 20 Ultra, the S22 Ultra does not include the charging brick. Really, there's not much at all in the box aside from a rather short USB-C cable and the Ultra itself. Speaking of the Note series, the S22 Ultra is essentially the Note successor. Note 20 Ultra or previous gen Note users have been waiting for. Of course, I'm in love with this burgundy color option, looks so sleek in person. The S22 Ultra has a dust collecting camera array, but nonetheless, I'm excited to test out these cameras. The S Pen is a matte black, which I honestly prefer over previous generation S Pens. Now, given these curved edges and the slippery design, I'm going to throw a case on this for now, a clear case from Caseborne. Check out my last video on the S22 Ultra cases if you're still looking for a case as well. Powering this up, I want to jump quickly into the initial setup, highlighting the quick fingerprint setup, which is already notably quicker than some other Android devices out there. Now that the initial setup is complete, we're greeted with this beautifully bright 120Hz display. Samsung never disappoints with these new panels. Coming from the Note 20 Ultra, I love having the S Pen at the ready to take notes, doodle, etc. I'm pretty excited to see that Samsung delivered a true Note successor with this S22 Ultra. And while not everybody will use the S Pen, it is a nice addition to have on the device at the ready if you do need it. So it is, again, a nice addition to see it there. It is an interesting placement. I do still wish it was there on the right versus the left, but nonetheless, at least it's there and it's present and it has a place to live, unlike the Z Fold 3. Hopefully, it'll come to the Z Fold 4. Now again, I just had to note, look at how fast that fingerprint scanner is, accurately reading consistently every single time. And that's been my unboxing and initial thoughts of the S22 Ultra in this glorious burgundy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and what features you'd like to see highlighted in my full review. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.